Look at that, a bucket full of dead mosquitoes, caught overnight with just 3 ingredients you already have at home. I tried every trap out there, and most of them failed. But after researching from people who've been doing this for years, I finally cracked it. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build the ultimate DIY mosquito trap. Here's the mistake most people make, including me. They use clear plastic bottles. Mosquitoes don't feel safe in the open. They're naturally drawn to dark, enclosed spaces. Think about it. Ever left dark shoes outside and found mosquitoes hiding in them? That's no accident. The color black is the key ingredient nobody talks about. Here's what you need: a black bucket or dark container, warm water, around 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, active dry yeast, a teaspoon of dish soap, and a cardboard box to house it in. Start by filling your black bucket with warm water and then dissolve your brown sugar in the warm water. The warm water is important. It activates the yeast faster. Add your yeast, stir it well, then pour in the dish soap. The yeast produces carbon dioxide, which mimics human breath and attracts mosquitoes. The soap breaks the surface tension of the water, so when they land, they sink and drown. Place the bucket inside a cardboard box. Leave the box slightly open, just enough for mosquitoes to find their way in. They'll be drawn to the dark, enclosed space, fly in thinking it's shelter, and that's where they meet their end. Leave it for 48 hours and let it work. Now here's the backup plan, and it's just as important. Even if a few smart mosquitoes avoid the first trap, this one stops the next generation from ever hatching. Fill a second bucket halfway with water and add spinosad. You can find this in the pest control section at most garden centers. Mosquitoes will mistake it for regular standing water, lay their eggs in it, and the spinosad will kill every single larva before they develop. You can also add a drop of dish soap or a little borax to this bucket as well. That way, any adult that lands in it won't survive either. This two-trap system covers both ends. It catches adults and stops larvae. After just 2 days, here's what we caught. Look at all of those. This trap genuinely works. And it works because we finally got all 3 elements right: dark container, carbon dioxide from the yeast, and the soap barrier. A few extra tips to keep mosquito numbers down around your home. Wear light-colored clothing outdoors. Mosquitoes are more attracted to dark colors. Eliminate any standing water around your property, and plant wildflowers to attract hummingbirds. They'll pick mosquitoes right out of the air. Try this setup and let me know how many you catch. Drop your results in the comments. I read every single one, and honestly, this trap exists because of comments just like yours. See you in the next one on Just 5 Drops and your drain is like new again. No more odor or clogs.